This is the Triumph Knight Christ Rider coming to you live. Well, okay, we're fine. But still coming to you. Man, today's exciting. Oh, it's January 1st, 2020. And what am I going to do today? Boys and girls, I got a pipe in the mail. And I'm going Remus, and we're gonna change this puppy out today. Yeah. Now, just so you know, first thing you have to do before you do anything is you have to make sure that you have an absolute messy garage. So, I do. In fact, it's really disaster. I got hunting equipment out from last year. I got bikes. I got bikes everywhere. Like GSXR 750, BFR 800, Triumph Trophy SE 1200 triple. All right, let's get this puppy running, and then we can do a little sound comparison. Over. Okay, we got the old 3-cylinder garden tractor fired up. It's like an angry lawnmower. Let's look at that. It wants to go. Its tire's turning. Come on, Luke, take me out. I want to go. Okay, well, I'll run it off. Okay, that's what the baby sounds like with stock pipe. And now I'm going to proceed to put the other one in. See how that goes. Over. Okay, well, the first thing we got to do is, this is so simple. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I just had to unscrew this here and here, which equals to this little giffer. So that was easy. And then it looks like down here, oh, down here, oh, my, look at that, I gotta undo this little thing. Then it looks like it just pulls out, and then put everything back together. We're talking, this might be like a 15-minute ordeal. Too funny. Over. Okay, well, you know the drawback this whole thing is the pipe's still warm from when I fired it up. Oh yeah, I need both hands. I'm just gonna pull this thing right out of there, and then I'm gonna use it as a paperweight or something. Too cool. Well, there she be, boy. I'll tell you, man, that thing weighs about 20 pounds. I'm amazed how much that weighs, and I just know that the Remus, I mean, the whole box, packing, gear, everything is like way lighter than that chunk of steel. So I'll be able to corner faster. Okay, so the pipe comes in 2 pieces. This is the part that zips onto the little clampy thing. Look at this thing. It's skookum. It's beautiful. Unbelievable. Love it so far. Totally fun. And like it's shiny. It's shiny, guys. It's shiny. Beautiful. Okay. So this is the Remus Hexagonal Titanium Titan. Woohoo! And for obviously the Triumph Trophy SE. Oh, I think that might be Destructions. Information. Maybe not. So far, no instructions. But then again, my toaster didn't come with instructions either. Over. This has got a little cone on here that you can pull out the core for noisy travel, and then you can stick the core in for touring. So if you don't want to hear the wife, you pull the cone out. If you actually want to hear what she's gonna get you for Christmas, and you put the cone back in. That's what that's for. Over. Okay, well, that puppy just slips right on there, and I just bolted her up to the old bolteroonie little bracket. Little bracket goes on there, little bracket. And now I got 2 springs that they supplied that goes here to here, and then on the other side as well. And then they got some crazy little apparatus right here, this thing. And I'm thinking that's where the center stand must come up. There must be a little rubber bungy, and it stops it from going any further. I'm thinking, gotta be. I'm just thinking ahead a smidgy. I'll look on the other pipe, see what's there. And then I just have to tighten up that little clamp at the bottom. Right over here. Right there, that clamp right there. And then we're done. 20 minutes, man. Like, with no instructions. This is exactly a guy thing. Okay, so yeah, that little, there's this little rubber, little bungy. That's to stop the kickstand, the center stand. So that goes in that little hole right there, like right here, right here. And now, if you lose it, you can always put a Tim Hortons Timbit in there, a chocolate one, because they're pretty sturdy. Just saying. For those of you guys who don't know what a Timbit is, pretty special. Pretty special. If you take a honey dip Timbit and a chocolate Timbit and you put them in your mouth at the same time, tastes just like a chocolate birthday cake with icing. Serious. Okay, boys and girls, it's all done. We'll oh, actually, why don't we take some close-up? Yeah, so she's there. That's a nice little stainless or titanium Remus. So we're gonna try it with the core in for sound, and then we'll do it with the core out. Core in, core out. Didn't say croat. Said core in, core out. Here, I got it. Putting it on the little bench. Okay. All right. Oh, Pete. Of course, the travel bag is off. Okay, so definitely a little deeper growl to it for sure. And we're gonna try the core out here next. Over. Okay, I gotta read about how to take the core out, because I'm thinking, I mean, it would just make sense that there's this little screw here that you pop out, but it's spot welded right there. So I guess a guy should always read before you take that out, because that maybe is I could be totally messing it up. I don't want to do that. So anyways, yeah, so anyways, it's kind of groovy. Thinking it definitely sounds better. yeah, I'll probably just go with that for now, and maybe I'll do a little sound test later. I gotta read up. I don't want to mess things up. Okay. Okay. Time to kick the tires and light the fire, Big Daddy. Tools away. Window up. That's a baffle out. All right, well, thanks for tuning in there, boys and girls. This is the Triumph Night in his messy garage. I really gotta clean it. I know. I gotta clean it up. And man, like right now, it's so bright. It's snowing. It's not snowing, but it's snow on the ground. I don't know what's with that. It's hard to ride that. Anyways, okay guys, Triumph Night, saying thanks, and hey, subscribe, check out my other vids, send money. I need money. Yeah, send money. All right, over and out, everybody.